up, everybody? Back again. Been a while. Just got married. Appreciate it. Just got back from my honeymoon. Went to Tulum, Mexico. Beautiful. Seen some exotic fish out there. Didn't get to go fishing or nothing, but had a beautiful time. We're back out here on the creek, baby. I can't wait. I just caught my first one. I haven't caught in a while. And I got a new setup, including the ring. Gotta show that off. But hopefully we can get some big ones today. Starting to turn fall. A little chilly in the creek. But I love being out here. Let's get right into it. Oh, that shit looks so good in the creek. I can't wait to see what that looks like on the big screen. But also, I've had this pole for a while. My wife bought this for me. Pretty sure it was for Father's Day or Valentine's Day, one of them. Sorry, baby. You know, got the gold on gold to match. That's right. But also, we have also acquired, finally, dun dun dun, Shimano Banford, baby. I've wanted this reel for a long time, y'all. So bad. Next step up will be the Stratic or the Essence or whatever the other one's called. But this one, I love the way this looks. This thing's beautiful. It's 2500. And man, it's just different. I got the reaction tackle, 10 pound, 8 times 8, whatever you want to call it. No fade red. Reaction tackle. Shout out to y'all. Y'all are awesome. Yeah. And this thing is just, I mean, it's smooth, y'all. The cast is beautiful. The retrieval is where it's at, though. I don't think I have ever had one pull up like that real quick and smooth. I mean, dude, I love this reel. I don't care. It's an awesome reel. If y'all can't afford it, not gonna lie, I had to save up for this one. I had the Shimano Nasi, still do. That's on my Saints cord. But I've always wanted this, and it has so far done me beautifully. So let's just get right back into it so I can show y'all what I mean. Oh yeah. Dang. See, sugar plum, that's what we need right here, one of them houses. I have a perfect rope swing right in the sun. I got one on there. Little guy. Oh, never mind, it's a big old rockfish. Nice. Guy right there. Not bad. Okay. There we go. Pretty fish. Great looking fish. Man, you're pretty big there, bud. See, I feel like the fish is starting to get bigger again. I'm trying out the mega bass. Karashi mega bass, something like that. That thing's nice. Check that thing out. they could come and jump on her. Caught some fish and bass on it so far. Probably within 5 minutes. Low battery. Sorry, y'all, turned it off too early. That's a nice one on the bass one. No, I did not get that, but I watched it swim right up to that sun and hit me. That was nice. Nice fish. Aha. I knew there was one up in this hole somewhere. And you can't beat that guy. It was a little longer than that one. Nice. So this thing does work, people, just to let you know. Got my ring wet, I don't like that now. I'm gonna have to get me a silicone ring. Also, I've been seeing a lot of snakehead in here lately, so, you know, I ain't never seen them be aggressive towards me, but I ain't taking no chance of jaws hooking up on my leg. No siree. It's crazy because you gotta get forced to get that bad boy off. My knuckles are huge. Little freaking fish. Get out of here, little fish. Ah. There's got a fish over there. Oh, almost went down. Alright, I might switch it up, y'all. Yep. I wish I got that one on camera, y'all. He spit that over and jumped out the water. Noise. Oh, get away from me. I don't want to land you. Just tire him out real quick. Dang, I knew you were in there. I should have got that one on camera. He spit that dang dude. He said, poke two. Oh yeah. You done yet? I'm not losing you, buddy. I've learned that you gotta wear your mount. Wear them out, cause I used to just be like, boom, 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 real quick, and I thought other people were dumb for not. But your best bet is to always wear them out first. Actually, you know what? A little more, cause I'm not putting my new reel in the water like that. Hey. There you go. The Vanfer strikes again, y'all. Look at that. That thing is sweet looking. Watch the hook now. Nice fish. Oh yeah. And you gotta get the ring in there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me hold it up more like that. There you go. See? Nice fish in here. That's at least a 12-incher. I'm right about this swimming hole over here. That was real nice. I wish I would have got that on camera. He came up and spit my last yum dinger. That was a beast move right there, buddy. Oh man, look at that. All right, bub. Peace out, man. Well, that was a good one, y'all. I thought I lost him too. I turned the camera on just not even 2 seconds too late. I know there's more fish up in there, so I'm gonna get a lure on and be right back. There we go. Come on. Now, there. That's a nice one, boys. Yeah. There you go. Decent size. Very nice. He got good light, but I knew he was up in there. Oh, it's rushing down there. I bet you there's more in there. Yeah. Good shit, buddy. Ah, come on, baby. Yeah, oh. Calm down. Stay in that water. You here, buddy? See, I didn't even see you anywhere. Got all these dang rocks. Oh. He hammered it. Hammered it, y'all. Yeah. I was fishing right there for 15 minutes and didn't get nothing. And then bam, came back up on this side. Nice little guy. Yeah. I don't even know where you were at, bub. You're right there in these rocks somewhere. That's crazy. Nice size fish. Yeah. Good shit, buddy. See you later, my guy.